Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are cooking and we are smoking, that's right, beef heart, and I cannot wait to show you a step-by-step process of what it looks like to cook that. Who's ever heard of beef heart? Not this guy, but maybe you have, and you've got some tips and tricks of your own. I can't wait to hear it. Comment below. Well, hey, so today I'm gonna show you a really fun way to do this. And a few weeks ago, I was introduced to this cut of beef from CEO Cattleman Company, local owned, amazing cattle company. And a friend of mine said, hey, if you're willing to cook this, I'll give it to you for free and post a little video about it. And I said, done deal, let's make a deal. So I am so pumped about this today because I've never actually cooked beef heart. And not only is this unique piece of meat, it is specifically a longhorn type of beef. It's specifically a longhorn beef heart. So that means it's gonna be lean and it's gonna be mean. So let's cook it, let's dive in. This is beef heart, and I am trimming off the different parts of the veins. All right, guys, now it is time to sear this beef heart. Let's come on in and let's get to searing. Let's get to searing. All right, guys, we finished the beef heart. Oh my gosh, it was a really fun process. And here is the final plate with a bed of rice and some vegetables that we cooked and grilled as well. So here goes a little taste test. This is an acquired taste. It is definitely very beefy, but you can taste the red wine a little bit. I will say that that sauce that we put on there at the very end definitely finished it off for me. Hey, this is so much fun when it comes to barbecue. You get to try and experiment things for yourself. So if you like this video, man, like it, subscribe, and make a comment. Would love to know what you think. Till next time, we'll see you soon.